Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. So today I am doing another Disneybounding lookbook. If you guys do not know what Disneybounding is basically when you take normal everyday clothes and turn them into a modern day real life version of your favorite Disney characters. You can also do it with parks and attractions, and that's what I did today. I am doing a couple different events that go on at Disney, a couple characters, but mainly different places in the park that I really like to go to when I visit Disney. If you guys want to see me do specific characters, leave me a comment down below. Let me know who you want to see, and I will try my best to give you an accurate Disneybounding representation of them. I already did one with some of the princesses. I have another one coming with the rest of them. But if you want to see someone specific, leave it down below for me. Also, I am currently hosting a giveaway. All the rules are in my last video. So if you want to go check that out, make sure you do. Make sure you follow all the rules. And with that being said, let's get started. All right, so outfit number one is probably my favorite out of all of them. I don't know, I haven't put the other ones on yet, but just looking at it, this is my absolute favorite. So this is for the Haunted Mansion. It could be the Haunted Mansion in Disneyland when they change it over to Nightmare Before Christmas. Mainly, this is probably what I would have worn for the Mickey's Not So Scary Halloween party. If we hadn't had to cancel our trip, that got canceled anyway. So this is what I would have worn most likely. I got these pants on Shein. They are very Beetlejuice. They are very Jack. These are what I like to call not Splash Mountain approved pants, meaning when they get wet, they will be see-through. So keep that in mind, but they are very comfy. They are very stretchy. They are very elongating. They look very, make them look kind of tall. And then this top is actually from the Disney store. This was a gift I got for my birthday from my parents one year. So it's just got these lacy, like 3/4 length sleeves with Jack on them. The shirt is really old, so you probably can't get it anymore, but any Haunted Mansion or Jack shirt will do. And then accessories wise, I obviously have my big bat bow in, and it is orange. This is a JoJo bow from Halloween. And then because New Orleans Square in Disneyland houses not only the Haunted Mansion but Pirates of the Caribbean, I threw in a couple touches of that with some beaded bracelets that have different shaped skulls on them. Obviously you don't have to wear these if you don't want, but I wanted to wear them. And then my backpack is my Dune Buggy backpack, which I got at Hot Topic during the 75th anniversary of the Haunted Mansion. And then, wait, was it 75th? No, it was like 60th or something, 50th. I don't know, whatever the anniversary was. And then I just put it with my black boots. Honestly, like if I was going to the park, I could wear this. This is my everyday park makeup. This is my, it's really comfy. When it gets a little cooler in Florida or at night in California, this is something that you would be comfortable in. It's really easy to get on and off rides. So yeah, this is outfit number one. All right, so this outfit is one that could apply to a couple things as well. This could be for Animal Kingdom or the Tiki Room in Magic Kingdom, which is what I base this off of. This is just a bodysuit from Shein. Again, not Splash Mountain approved. I would actually wear a bralette under this if I were wearing this to the park because this likes to move around a lot. So if you wear a bralette underneath, then yes, Splash Mountain, you're good. But yeah, the pants are really tropical and kind of fit the theme of the tropical paradise that is the Tiki Room. The back just snaps up. And for my bag, I went with a lemon, because if you know, you know that the Dole Whip stand is near the Tiki Room, and Dole Whip is life. It's so good. My favorite one is the lemon one, so I put it with my lemon purse. They do make a Dole Whip shaped purse, which would go with this so much better. I just don't own it. And then my earrings are just flowery hoops. And my shoes are absolutely not what I would wear to the park, but these pants are super long on me. I did my wicker wedges. If you are a heel queen and you can wear heels all day, get in and out of rides in them, then more power to you. But for me, I would be in some comfy sandals or a cute pair of sneakers that would somehow match this. But yeah, heels would not be my jam for this, but this is my Animal Kingdom / Tiki Room outfit. So this next outfit is obviously more dressy. I would wear this probably for Dapper Day if I was going. And this is my take on a Main Street USA themed outfit. Main Street USA is basically the street that leads up to the castle in Disney World. And it's all the shops and kind of 40s themed, and there's trolleys and streetcars. So it's very kind of old fashioned when you walk up. So something like this would fit perfectly. I got this dress at Old Navy. This is from Shein. This is an old like pearl necklace that I have. And then I just threw in some flower earrings and a red and white polka dot bow, very mini-esque. And for shoes, I am actually wearing my Mickey comic strip sneakers. I would definitely wear this for Dapper Day if I was going. It is just so comfy and light and flowy, but also fits the theme. I don't know that this could be really any other character. Let me know down below if you think it fits someone specific. But for me, this is just basically like Magic Kingdom, right when you walk in, when I get all excited and cry and get the feels. I am definitely a Disney adult, and I'm not ashamed to say that. I enjoy what I enjoy. If you don't enjoy it, that's cool. I clearly do enjoy Disney things. So yeah, this is my look. This one is very cute. I like this one a lot. So this outfit is for my people who aren't sure who they want to be or how Disneybounding works, or maybe you have a lot of favorite characters and these might be some of them. This outfit right here could be probably about 4 different people that I'm thinking of. One of them being Peter Pan, especially if I didn't have this hat and you had like a green hat, or you wanted to put a little red feather in your hair or some red accessories, then definitely Peter Pan, especially with like a flat brown boot. That would be really, really cute. I have these heeled ones because that's all I have. The other option, especially with the hat, I would say would be Louis from Princess and the Frog. Obviously, I would have my hair down with this, but Princess and the Frog is kind of his color scheme. This could be Grandmother Willow with the greens and the browns. You could do like green pants or brown pants. And if you had khaki or brown pants as well, you could be Quasimodo. So this look is kind of, you want a Disney bound, but you don't want to go like full throttle into it. This is a good starter outfit, I would say. Or this could be like Animal Kingdom, like kind of a safari sort of vibe. So it's really up to you how you want to wear it, but for me, this is definitely my Peter Pan kind of go-to look. All right, so if you can't tell by my color palette going on and all the gold jewelry, I got an elephant ring on. This is my Dapper Day genie look. If this dress was like a couple shades brighter, I think it would be more obvious who I was trying to be, but we work with what we got. So I just have this blue kind of scuba, like wetsuit material almost from Forever 21. I also wore this for my Snow White look when I did the Princess Lookbook. Yeah, I did a gold elephant, like because they're riding on the elephant in Prince Ali. And then I did moon and stars earrings because I thought those were kind of magical. Gold necklace. This clutch is very much more the genie's color. And then these are really high or really sparkly blue. Again, this would be like dinner and drinks in downtown Disney, not for park hopping and riding rides. Yeah, I thought it was very cute. I just wish I had like a red something to put with this that wouldn't make it look too Snow White. But, oh well. So this is my genie look. And for our final look, I am doing like a Tomorrowland / Space Mountain type look. I just did these gray Old Navy shorts, which honestly are like what my mom wears to the park, and they're super duper comfortable. They're really soft. And then I have this old dance costume. It is like a glittery sweatshirt. So yeah, it is very sparkly. It kind of is spacey. Even the hood is very glittery. So if you wanted to go all out crazy and be as bright and shiny as you can be in the park, which I think everyone should do at least once. Then I have my JoJo bow that I thought kind of looked like it had stars. They're just little glitters and gems. And then I have on my Xenon shoes, as I like to call them. They are a wedge sneaker with some spikes on them. They are metallic and adorable, and I love it. So that is the end of this lookbook. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you are going to Disney, please be safe and follow all the instructions the cast member gives you, and have as good of a time as you can right now. The world is crazy. And if you had to cancel your plans like me, we have next year. Disney's not going anywhere. So yeah, let's all be safe and healthy and happy and enjoy all the Disney Plus content there is to right now. All right, so I hope to see you guys in the next one, and